Here's the door panels on our beautiful Toyota RV. We're just gonna make new backing, and then either I will put fabric on here or have the upholstery guy that's doing the seats do it. So let's, and I have some thin plywood, and I'm just gonna take these clips off and maybe we can use those. Look at that. Now we're gonna get rid of all the holes, even the small screw holes. We're gonna put some fiberglass on the back side, and then we come back with Bondo on the outside. We don't want these old style lamps. We want something like this. You can get this looking white, but when the light is on, either it's white, yellow, or red. Here, I think it should be yellow. And that's what this is. So we're just gonna seal that, and then we decide where we're gonna have this later on. Even holes up here, we're gonna seal it. This is not my favorite scissors. This actually, I wrote on here sandpaper. So sometime I cut sandpaper, I'm using that same one when I'm cutting these things, because it's kind of ruined the scissor, especially the sandpaper. But I have some good scissors too. All right, now we're just gonna mix some epoxy and put these in. We decided to seal up the rear tail lights, or the tail lights on the Toyota, and we bought a bunch of cool modern LED tail lights. We haven't got them yet, but so the holes are all, I mean, it's like 4 by 10, so it's much easier to make a hard piece of fiberglass. And last night I put some fiberglass mat down and put some epoxy on it. This is on an old door window, and I think it should work. Let's peel them off and see if my work was successful. Oh yeah, we are an expert in fiberglass. They're gonna end up here, but I think they're gonna end up on the inside. Now we put some liquid nails down here, and I cut this after the template, so hopefully it's going to fit. Then we put a few screws, and Bob's your uncle. Just to make it a little cleaner, we did put a 1/2-inch plywood, and this is exterior glue. And then of course we put flooring on this, but not until we build the kitchen comes out to here, and then the sofa probably comes out to here. So it'd be just a narrow walkway. And we think this is going to look beautiful.